Alright, you box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back. This is part 2 of our big thank you to Joe at the card shop, Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles on Osborne and 24th Street in Phoenix, Arizona. He gave us, watch part 1 to see what all he gave us, but we're in the middle of this box that he gave us right here. And so we've already gone through not quite half of it. We got a Warren Sapp rookie, we got this die cut card, we got some Ken Griffey Jr.'s, we got Ricky Henderson old cards, we got new cards. Anyway, it's just kind of a mixed, amazing bag of amazingness. So we're in the middle of this right now. We had started and we were putting sleeves on everything and taking our time, and then we decided to just say thanks to Joe at the card shop for giving us this entire box of cards for free. Okay, we're getting into the basketball now, so I'm interested to see if we might hit a little Jordan area, because that was the thing. Joe goes, "Yeah, I think that's your box of cards." I said, I looked through it and I pulled up in this section right here. I pulled open it was Reggie Miller. But I'm like, I know there was no Reggie Millers in that box that I got. Look at all these David Robinson in a row cards. I'm hoping we find a Jordan section like this. Alright, here's the Reggie Miller section. So this, I pulled this up, and Joe goes, "Yeah, no," he goes, "I know, they're not yours, but I don't know where yours are." And so he gave us this. Just this whole box. Go back and watch part 1. You'll see what else has already been in here. But as far as a free box goes, usually there's never anything in a free box. And if there is, the quality is terrible. But we've seen a few potential 10s out of here. Even this Reggie, as I'm looking at it, this one's got some surface stuff going on it. But I know this Reggie from opening these packs of cards is a decent card and a 10. Both of those are messed up. 50-point club, and there's a gold variation of that Reggie Miller. So anyway, we haven't got a lot of Reggie Miller in the cards we've been opening. We've seen lots of Patrick Ewing. We've seen a decent amount of Jordan, actually. John Stockton. And here's Pippen. Check this out. I don't even know where to put all these cards at this point. There's just so many. Put the basketball cards over there. Check out Pippen. So I don't think it's a 10. Nah, it's not a 10. But still. Orlando Mourning. Probably got a lot. Mourning versus Ewing. Yeah, it's a lot of the same card. I think they put a lot more Alonzo cards in. There's Dan Marley. What's funny about this right now is, I don't know if it was this card, but I gave Joe a Dan Marley card, just donated it to the shop thinking that somebody would want it. There's Sean Kemp, John Stockton. Should be a Sean Kemp rookie in here unless they took him out. There's Magic. Huh. There's like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 of that same one. 5 of that same Magic card, so that's pretty cool. Thank you for the free cards. Alright, we got this Topps Chrome. I don't think these cards are cheap. Zito, Trevor Hoffman, probably. What's his name? Is that Owatani? No, that's not Owatani. That's some other dude. Rookie card. Nice looking card. And then these already have sleeves on them, so that's nice. None of them are people I know. I don't know who that guy is. Don't know who that guy is. Or that guy and his rookie card. So we're into some newer baseball. Goes over here. Yeah, eventually Joe's going to be launching a website and a YouTube channel. So once that happens, we'll alert you to that fact, because again, we can't thank him enough. If you guys, if anybody else wants to send us cards to open, we will, and we can do shout out. All I know right now is I see Pippen, and it looks like the same card over and over and over again. So I know there's some other cards in there, but we may have a whole bunch of Pippins right now. And we do. Look at this. Okay, 4 of the same one. 5 of the same one. I like how they didn't put them all together. 6 of the same one. 7 of the same one. Ooh, that's a nice one. That's a different one. It's not a prototype, but still, that's a nice one. Alright, 8 of them, the same. 9 of them. Are we going to be lucky enough to hit a Jordan section? If we hit a Jordan section, I'm sure Joe knows, but I'm already going to make him aware. Penny Hardaway. What is this, 9 of them the same? 10 of them the same. Joe, you telling me you couldn't sell 10 of these all together? Look at these Penny Hardaways. John Stockton, we've had that one. There's Shaq. Look at that card. It's a little banged up on the side, but oh, we've hit the Shaq section. Wow. And there's another Magic. Okay, we're back into the Magic, and Sean Kemp, or is it Sean Kemp? Yeah, Sean Kemp. Look at how many Sean Kemp cards, the same ones. Anyway, we're gonna have to do something special for Joe. This is too much. This is like somebody's prize collection box, you know, like somebody put a lot into this. Now we're back to Scotty Robinson again. This is too much. Too much. More David Robinson. That's a cool one. I like that. Shiny one. These are about the worst basketball cards I think they ever put out. Fleer 91. More David Robinson. Just more of the same. Patrick Ewing. Oh, that's a cool one. That's the only thing good about Fleer 91 is those Diamond King type cards. No prototype. I don't know who all comes in a prototype. But we bought that Jordan from the card shop. The one that had the coffee stain on it. Just look at all these. Alright, here's the Magic. There's more Magic. There's Grant Hill. I heard he drinks Sprite. More Shaq. Rodman. Dennis Rodman. David Robinson. Shaq. Oh my gosh. Future scoring leader, Shaq. Oh yeah, you think so? Shaq. Skylights, Shaq. Skybox. I don't think those are his rookie cards. Alright, here's more Reggie Miller. These are not the same Reggie Millers we've already looked at. There's some Hakeem. Still waiting to see if we see Jordan. Hakeem, I think we've entered the Hakeem section. Patrick Ewing. There's Jordan. On the Ewing card. Oh my gosh. Can't believe this. It's too much. Hakeem. It looks like basketball all the way out, so I wouldn't be surprised with this guy being the way organized that he is, if it's possible that maybe he kept Jordan off by himself. I don't know what's up with this card. Pro View. Oh, it's like a 3D. Oh, one random football card mixed in there. Just too much. Look at that. It must be 89 tops. Wow. Lots of David Robinson. Lots and lots of David Robinson. David Robinson, Rookie of the Year. I think we've got that card, probably. Skylights. Get out. Not in my house. No, I thought the gnome was out. Hakeem and David. Yeah, look at that. Get out. Get out. Holy smokes. Guy got a lot of David Robinson cards. Slam dunk. I have a Shaq card like that from back in the day. That was like one of my first Shaq cards. Ooh, we got the gold variant. This is just filthy. Filthy. And the cards are perfect. You know, they're just perfect. Clean, corner, centering, everything looks really good. I'm thinking Jordan was segregated. That's my guess. Because it's looking like Ewing. It's looking like Ewing and David Robinson all the way out. We'll see though. We'll get through this. First edition. Wild card. I don't know what this is. There's that Jordan. Ewing Jordan card again. Oh my gosh. There it is again. I don't quite understand how the person put this together. Future scoring leader. Ewing. Patrick Ewing, Danny Manning. And see what I mean? The centering is like perfect on all these. How does a guy just only buy the perfect cards? That's what I don't understand. Oh, this Larry Bird got banged up. That's too bad. Both corners are dinged. Scotty, Kevin McHale, Isaiah. There's Rodman, dinged up. Shaq again. John Marley. Jason Kidd. It's not his rookie, I don't think. Penny Hardaway. Shaq. Bird. Oh, we hit a little Larry Bird section. Nice. Yeah. So I don't know why, but I think Joe could have split all these cards out and could have sold all of them. Alright, so I started, this is the last stack, and it starts with David and Hakeem. So I'm pretty sure that Jordan has been segregated, unfortunately. The dude probably has an entire box of Jordan, you know what I mean? Like, you don't just have this type of a collection where it's the same 15 players over and over in the same box and not have Jordan all on his own. Look at all these. If you're a Hakeem Olajuwon fan, if you're a David Robinson fan, if you're any of these players, you let me know in the comments. We'll share the love. There's Barkley. Nice. A much skinnier Barkley. Hakeem. Just a lot of Hakeem right now. Yeah, we've seen Hakeem before. Hang on a second. Go to gotta start transferring these. Wait, no, we don't want to put them back in the box. So we gotta put sleeves on a lot of these. Oh my gosh, we got so much to work to do now. Look at this. Look at this shot of Hakeem. That's cool. 50-point club. Yeah. Topps future playoff MVP. Thought we had Jordan there for a minute. The only Jordan we saw was on that Patrick Ewing card. We'll probably see it again before we're done here. Look at all of these from 1990. This guy must have opened so many packs of 1990 Fleers because they're just all perfect. All the ones that we've opened have been, you know, not perfect. Look at that, 1985. That's his rookie. This says archive on it. This is a reprint. I think this is a 1993 reprint, but that's 85 Topps. We just did a video on that. That must be his rookie card. Patrick Ewing. Alright, so that's basically it out of this box. So, once again, I can't believe it. That's too much, Joe. We're going to have to do something for you. We're going to see if we can give away a lot of these, sell a lot of these. I mean, even the box. The box is worth $1. No, it's pretty old. Kind of gross. This is probably the coolest card, I think. Even though I don't know Ben Davis. I think that card's cool. Not sure if you can see it with the lights, but this is the real cool card right here. Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. If you're ever in Phoenix, stop by and check Joe out. Joe and Abe, whoever else might be working there. Once he gets a website up and running and a YouTube, we'll go ahead and clue you into those bits of information. Looks like he's on Facebook. Why don't you hit him up on Facebook? Like him on Facebook and tell him, can't believe you hooked up the box breakers with all that. He does Pokemon and Yu-Gi-Oh! And Magic as well. They do game nights on Mondays and Fridays. They switch it up, so call ahead or check Facebook for the schedule. But yeah, they're big into that as well. So we're going to be doing some Magic the Gathering breaks. We're going to do some Dragon Ball Z and Pokemon box, and I guess we're going to have to do a box of Yu-Gi-Oh! As well. So be on the lookout for those somewhere down the line. You know, we like the sports stuff more here, but we're not opposed to those other cards are cool, we think, too. And if it's cool to you, then it's cool to us. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Thank you, Joe, again. Can't say it enough. And if you'd like to send us cards as well, we will open them and give a shout out. I mean, we'll make a whole episode to you if you send us enough. If you send us like Joe did, we'll make a whole episode for you. We don't mind. Tomorrow we're gonna go to the store and we're gonna shoot live with Joe at the shop, or from the shop anyway, from Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. So if you're in the area, stop by, say hello, and maybe you'll be on our episode of the next episode of the Box Breakers. See you later, pack rippers, box breakers. So glad to have you subscribed. Thanks for sharing, thanks for likes and comments, thanks for everything. Just really appreciate growing together. So can't say thanks enough at this point. Thank you all. See you soon. Love you. Bye.